recording.
No, Rodrigo, let go. Let go, Rodrigo.
We're recording because we're gonna trip our friend. Okay.
Rodrigo, you let go.
Let go. Hey, let go. Shut up. Let go.
Come and get me.
The road.
Run! Run!
Okay, I'm not getting
Hey, on this one, hey, you have to tag 2 people.
Okay, someone hide in my backyard.
No, you have to
You guys
tag.
can hide in my backyard.
You have to tag 2 people.
I got you.
But who's really the winner?
He's in the street.
Pull. No, don't. Take it off, boy. No,
You
take it
guys already did this to me.
Alright, take it off. Here, I'll take it off for you. Wait, be careful. You want to get hurt again? You want to get hurt again? There.
And that's what you guys did to me right there.
Oh, we didn't do that.
Come on, you put the rope right there.
You tripped on your toe. I thought you came to our house. Yeah, we already had this here. We're gonna play this fun game, but we forgot to tell you. Yeah.
That's why we had that hole there. We were trying to
Look,
get it done.
look, you see this hole? Yeah. It was a big hole, but we covered it up.
And we're trying to get that skunk and kill it.
Yeah, we're already taking things away.
I'm not it anymore. Because I tagged
Hey, but
Ian.
we're not gonna play anymore. It's getting late. I'm just kidding, James.
Okay, so now who's gonna be
You're making me
there's
sick.